All right, so we're moving along. We've just figured out we've got into Google Sites. We learned how to name our site. Now we've made different pages. We've learned a little bit about adding text, but let's go bigger. Let's learn how to add pictures, and also I want to add links. Okay, so here we are. We're back at our home page, and it's time to make this a little bit more interesting, right? Right now, it's got this little PHA thing, which is whatever, but all now it says is "Welcome to the Mayan homepage." Let's get a good picture on here. So we'll start by clicking Edit to edit the page. And now we're editing, okay? But what I want to do is I want to add a picture. So let's say right below this, or maybe above this Welcome to the Mayan homepage, I want to get a picture. So I get right in here, then I can click on Insert Image. Not bad, right? Insert Image, pretty easy. Okay, and then up comes a little window which says, okay, do I want to upload an image, like something from my computer, or do I want to give it a web address? Either way, I need to go find a picture. So let's open a new tab and let's go look around. Let's say I want to look for something Mayan, so I type in Mayan, and I'm doing an image search on Google, so I click Images. This one looks pretty good right here. I like this one. So there's two ways to do this, okay? And on the right here in Google Images, I can click full-size image. So I'm going to click that too. Great. So here I've got this picture, and there's two ways I can do this. I can right-click on this picture and save the picture to my documents or my desktop and then upload it to my Google site. Or I can just copy the web address of this picture like this right here. I can right click it and hit copy. Okay, now, and I'll download it too so you can see it both ways. I'll save this picture to my desktop. Okay, now back at the site, okay, if I want to add a picture, let's say I want to upload one. Well, I did download that one a second ago, so I can click Browse. And it should be here on my desktop. It's called something with Mayan, and I hope. I don't know what it was called. I wasn't paying attention. But anyway, you can find it. Or you can put the actual web address of the picture in, which I copied before, and here, now I've pasted. Okay, and you'll see that if we wait a second, the picture will show up in this box right here. See, it might take a little while. So maybe we'll go with the uploaded image instead. We'll hit Browse. Let me find this Mayan one. What is it called? There it is, Ancient Mayan Ruins. Okay, it's uploading, it's going to take a second. Okay, now I hit OK. Boom, and now the picture is here. The picture is really big. Okay, we don't want it to be quite so big. That's not so good. So if you click on the picture, you should get this little box right here which gives you some options about it. Okay, and you can see it says Align L, C, or R. That means do I want it aligned on the left side, the center, or the right? And I can choose a size, small, medium, large, or right now it's selected original, which is the original size of the picture. Well, let's try small. Ah, that's much better, right? S is small. But now this looks a little too small. Let's go medium. Yeah, that's good size. Okay, and then instead of having on the left side, I can center it by next to align, I can hit the C for center. Okay, and now I can close this little window thing to get out of my face. And that looks great. That's a great way to have my site. So I save it. Perfect. Okay. Let's say now I also want to add some links to my site. Okay, so let's try math. I'll click on math, and let's say I want to add a link to the Wikipedia page about Mayan math. Okay, so let's go over here and look up Mayan math. Okay, here's the Wikipedia page for sort of Mayan numerals. That's their math. Okay, and this is their math system. It was incredibly complex for their size, and they're one of the first civilizations to understand the concept of zero, which is actually kind of tricky to come up with. Anyway, here's the web address for the Wikipedia page. I can copy that and go back to my site, the site I'm making. And again, I can edit this page, and I can insert a link. And the way we do that is the same way I inserted a picture. I just go up to Insert, Link. Okay? And I can link to another page within my site by clicking on home page or one of these technology pages, or I can use a web address, and I'll paste the web address right in there. Okay, so I hit OK, and now I've got this link right there. And I can, if I click on it, I can get some options like going to it. I can change the link itself. Okay, perfect. Now, if I wanted to make an existing, let's say instead of this link as it is, let's say I wanted to say, Wikipedia page, okay? If I select this text first and then go to insert and do a link, and then I paste this web page in, instead of showing the web page over here, it will turn this Wikipedia page word into a link. So select it and hit insert link to make a link. That's just one or two things. As you can see, I'll save that. We've got some pictures, we've got some links. That's some basic stuff for a basic web page. Google Sites is capable of a whole lot more. I'll just show you briefly. In that insert menu, it's a lot more than just image and links, right? You can put lines in there, you can put a calendar, you can put a Google map in there, you can show where the Mayan civilization was, you can add special text boxes, other great stuff, all kinds of little gadgets too. So there's lots of stuff to play with. I just wanted to give you a basic introduction. All right, so we've learned how to make a new Google site, set who can see it, give it a name. We've learned how to create pages in your Google site, including pages sort of nested within other ones. And we've got images and we've got links. So you're ready to get started with a really cool website. Go ahead and get going.